What's up, life in this game? And I'm back with another video. As you can see, I will be doing a little prank on my cousin and my auntie. I will be doing an acting Ratchet prank to see get their reaction. I got my lashes on. They are not too long. They are not too short. They look natural. I got my lip gloss. I got my gum in my mouth. I got and then I got my earrings and my hoops in. And I bet they're gonna be like, what is wrong with this girl? Is something wrong with her? She need to go back home. She needs some sleep or something. But stay tuned until we get in the car. And I will see you guys when I get in the car. Peace. Oh my goodness, we're currently in the car. We need to come on. I'm ready to go. We've been sitting up in this car for 5 minutes. It's hot. Wait. Come on, can we go?
Wait.
No, why is we waiting for?
You shouldn't be going to the movie with us if you got an attitude.
Oh my God, see that's why I don't travel with y'all. I don't ride with y'all. See, that's why I'm sick and tired of this.
We'll go home.
Oh Lord Jesus, I can't wait till I see you again.
We'll go home.
And I will.
Get out of this truck and go
home. And I will. And I will.
Stop the truck. Stop
no.
Stop it.
No, you're not. No, you're not, honey.
Yes,
no, you're not, baby. No, you're not. No, you're not.
Yes, you are.
And I bet you won't. And I see she ain't stopping. Oh, okay. That's what I thought.
Okay.
See, that's the stuff I be talking about. Oh, Lord Jesus.
At the gas station.
Well, drop me off at the gas station, baby. I can call my grandma to come pick me up, baby. In a heartbeat, 1.5 seconds.
And
no, I don't.
The car's going.
Oh well, and I call my auntie. And I call my auntie then.
I can't finna walk because it's hot.
Whatever. Let me turn the music up. Yeah, this is my song, y'all. Yeah. Nah, that's what you get. Whatever, they're trying to call me Ratchet, but I don't care. Cause baby, I know y'all like my new look. Y'all don't like my new look.
Your new look is ugly.
My new look is ugly, baby.
Second of all,
baby,
who do you think you're talking to?
Baby, I'm 20. I'm 20 years old. I'm 20, honey. Get like me. Yes, I am. I'm 20. Get like me, honey.
You guys. She is literally acting Ratchet. She never acted like this before.
Whatever. They don't know what they talking about.
Why are you acting like this?
What you mean? I'm not acting like nobody. You know I act like this. I've been acting like this, baby. I've been acting like this.
And first of all, your nose is sweaty and you got all your lip gloss over your mouth.
I don't care. And I add some more. And I add some more.
Over your mouth.
And I don't care.
And that's disgusting.
What is she talking about?
What are you talking about?
Oh Lord, this is stuff I be talking about. See?
That's the stuff I be talking about because you acting Ratchet. You never act like this. Why you act like this?
Baby, I need me some more lashes. I need a low, baby.
Honey, you don't need your broomsticks. Because, first of all, you already got some broomsticks on and you never act like this. Why you acting like this now?
What is they talking about? See?
You trying to put a phone on the camera?
Whatever. See, they got me hot. I'm sweating.
You should be sweating because your nose is sweating.
Come on. I'm ready to go to Walmart. Just come on. Y'all take it too long. I don't care.
We're going to Starbucks first.
I'm going to ignore them.
Go to Starbucks first.
No.
Yes.
No, so you say you go to Starbucks first? I don't care. Go to Starbucks then. I would get out this car. And I would get out this car. And I will get out this car. And I will stop the car. I don't care.
She can walk back home.
I'm finna put my feet up on the dashboard. I don't care.
Put your feet down.
I don't care.
You know you don't do that.
But I'm gonna scoot my seat all the way back then.
No, you're not.
Scoot it all the way back then, huh?
Honey, you're not.
Yes, move. Leave my chair alone. What are you doing? I like to sit back. You know I drive back like this.
No, you don't.
I be whipping it.
Well, you do know how to drive good.
I be whipping it, honey.
Now, first of all, honey.
I'm 20 years old. I know how to drive, baby. Get like me. I got my driver license.
Hey, first of all,
everything.
Your ages are coming up on your sewing. First of all.
You don't want to joke, baby.
And second of all,
you don't want to joke.
all your lip gloss all around her mouth, and I don't know why she doing it. She never act like this. She just put the front on for the camera.
Baby, no. What camera? Ain't no camera, honey. There's no camera.
I'm holding the camera right now.
No, I'm not. Baby, what are you talking about?
What is it?
And I just want to let y'all know it was a prank. Nah, that's what you get. Nah. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and smash that subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.